Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Pitaka. Oh, it's case. It's case for the iPhone 17 Pro, but also it's compatible with other devices available on Pitaka homepage as well. This here is the Indigo Pitaka tab, and it comes with an exclusive Year of the Horse phone case with MagSafe compatibility. It is made of aerospace-certified aramid fiber, ultra thin and feather light, preserves the slim shape of our iPhone, and the MagSafe compatible and the wireless charging possible without any props. Unique woven texture for visual depth and a comfortable grip. And high protection against scratches and discoloration. And it looks really cool. And we find our rhythm. We discover the elegance of our own pace. The rhythmic weave pattern makes the inner movement visible. A stylish companion for all those who go ahead with a calm, clarity, and confidence. This is the Indigo, the deep blue, permeated with a rhythmic horse motifs, an expression of clarity, balance, and an inner peace for all those who are consequently moving forward, considered, focused, and purposeful. We find our rhythm, we stay calm, and we go on purpose. We have triple layer fusion weaving technology. In happiness rides, and the galloping horses comes to life directly on the shell. The multi-layered woven structure creates a fine multi-layer texture that we can see and feel. The process intertwining of the fibers creates the stronger color contrast and visual depth. And this with a housing that remains slim and light, and restated in the look, conventions with every touch. We have aramid fiber camera control for the 16 and 70 Pro series. We have the paper thin and the feather lights design, and 2026 laser engraving, and a raised camera ring for lens protection. We will find our rhythm and go our way to our own space. We stay true to ourselves and walk quietly, confidence ahead with this case for our iPhone 17 Pro. Or, of course, you can get this for the other devices like the 16 Pro and the 16, it's our 17 and 17 Max and so on. Or this is possible too by Pitaka, a really nice case for everyone out there for a better and nicer look and a good protection on top, of course. This all brings us into the new year of the horse phone case with MagSafe compatibility. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!